Hey family, I want you to try this the next time you make some chicken salad. Grab yourself a couple of banana peppers and just stuff them with the salad. What a treat. Try it. You'll thank me later. Okay, I'm just trying to get the seeds out of these banana peppers. This pepper is not hot at all. These are just right. Nice and crunchy and delicious. By the way, I must give my sister Carolyn over there at the farmer's market on Gladstone Road. These came from her. Go over there on Saturdays and check her out. Let her know that Melda242 sent you and you want her discount. How does that sound? Banana peppers. Stuff them with some salad today and tell me about it. This is such a healthy snack. Live food. God bless you. Thank you for watching. God bless you. And I'll see you in the next one.